सभी को राम राम जय श्री महाकाल. So let's start this beautiful day with a beautiful mantra because this is the interview regarding women empowerment and economic developments. Om Stri Shakti Samarthanam Kutumbasya Vikasaya. एंड थैंक यू सो मच. आज है हमारे साथ हरिनी मैम, हरिनी कृष्णन, एंड शी इज़ अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल सोल. एंड बिफोर स्टार्टिंग, इनका कल बर्थडे था, सो आई विश हर अ बिलेटेड हैप्पी बर्थडे मैम, एंड लॉट्स ऑफ success, lots of wishes, and lots of happiness and abundance, prosperity, everything for you,
Thank
ma'am.
you. Thank
And
you.
this is Renu Mangtani. I have been into the banking industry for 6 to 7 years. Apart from that, now I am turned out to an international renowned author, YouTuber, influencer, researcher, and much more. So, very good afternoon, ma'am. How are you doing today?
I'm fantastic. Thank you so much, Renu. How are you doing?
Yes, I'm also doing great. And here we have inch pinch. Today we are in the same colors.
Yes.
So, moving on, ma'am, we would like to know something about yourself. So, over to you, ma'am.
Sure. So I am born and raised in Bangalore. So this is my home, and I've been a software engineer. From there, I moved on to different roles. I got into sales. I was into learning and development, and then I was into hiring. I've done a lot of things under the HR space also. And currently, I'm taking care of a subject called diversity and inclusion for my organization, and this is so close to my heart. From a personal standpoint, I have a 12-year-old son. He's in grade 8 this year, and I live with my parents, and that's all about me from that sense. And I love reading. I'm very passionate about reading different genres of books, and in fact, one of my goals in my life was to have my own library. So today I'm in the
Oh, wow.
process of collecting so many books so that in future I can have my own library. And somewhere in the small bottom of my heart, I did feel like I should write a book. Thanks to you and Abhishek sir that this became a reality today. Though it is just one article, but in future I'm hoping to write a complete book on my own.
And definitely, surely you will, because you have so long dreams of having your own library. So if you now you have started your journey with us, definitely there will be one day you will be writing your own book, and not a single book, as you said, the library. So there will be a library where all the books of Harini and Krishnan will be there, and people will be the big fan of you. So this is the inspiration, So we have started the interview and such a big inspiration. So thank you so much for the impressive introduction, ma'am. So what's your say on the beautiful topic, which is women empowerment and economic developments?
So I've said certain things in my book, and I'm sure I'm going to also share that with all of us today. I strongly feel for women empowerment and economic development because we are nation builders. Women build nations because we are multitaskers. We manage home, we manage work, and we raise children. Children are future of the country, of the nation, of the world. And as women, we are so multi-talented to raise a nation, and for that empowerment is very important. Not only empowerment from workplaces but empowerment even at home, right? If you're able to take your own decisions, if you're able to think right for your family, which we do mostly, but still there are certain parts and sections in the country and also in world where women do not get that empowerment. Sometimes I wonder, who are these people to empower us, right? We are already empowered, but how are we going to just use a term which doesn't give us a feeling that somebody has to empower us, right? We are self empowered. And I would say empowering women empowerment in my mind would be women empowering other women, because women need strong sense of community. They need to lean in onto each other, and they need to be with each other. They need to push and lift each other up. That's what I feel is women empowerment. And economic development is very important because financial independence is very key in decision making, right? It could be for anyone, more so for women, because over the centuries we've seen that There has been no pay parity. Women who are working at home, they don't get paid, or they need to depend on somebody or the other. It could be their husband, it could be their father, it could be their children. So there's always a dependency. So financial security and independence is very essential for women, because that will boost the confidence, that will let them stand on their feet and explore a lot of bold things that, beyond imagination. And you would be surprised to know that how a financially independent woman will just not worry about absolutely anything in the world. So these are my
Exactly.
thoughts.
That's so wonderful, ma'am. And as you said, because जहाँ होगा women empowerment, so automatically there will be the growth of the nation. Automatically there will be the economic development of the nation. So
Correct.
that's so wonderful thoughts of you, ma'am. And moving on, you have also mentioned about the beautiful concept of equality and equity in your article. So can you share the beautiful words on it?
Sure, sure. See, for many years we've been talking about equality, right? Equality is same things. Like you get the same thing and I get the same thing, irrespective of gender or whatever that can be. That is equality, and which is a good thing to have. But the reason that I wrote about equity is because equality and equity are two different things. So let me explain what equity is. Equity means it is a certain set of support that is specifically given to a specific person at a specific point in time, which means that today the kind of support that I need is, let's say, flexible work option, because maybe I have a young child and I need to be at home for the child. Then, if I get flexibility of working from home for these 2 years or 3 years, then that becomes equity. But equality means everybody gets work from home or everybody doesn't get work from home, right? So at this point in time, whatever support is required for me to grow, for me to contribute to the country or to the company or to the home, that special support is called equity. And I believe for women, equity is really important, because while we are able to multitask and we are able to manage a lot of things, equity will help us get that edge. It will help us reach places where we want to reach without compromising on anything else, right? Otherwise you have so much pressure that, I need to run in the same speed, I need to do this like my male counterpart, I need to do this exactly, otherwise, I may not be rated well, people may not talk the right things about me, people may take me for granted. All that will not happen. But if you have equitable solutions, or if you have equitable support, then without compromising on anything else, women will be able to deliver their best. At the same time, they will also be able to manage everything that they would like to manage in the way that they want to.
So what a beautiful concept, what the beautiful thoughts have been shared by Harini ma'am. So there should be round of applause for it. And moving on also, ma'am, you have shared about the theme of this year's International Women's Day 2024. So can you just brief to our audience about the theme of this year?
Yeah, this year the theme of International Women's Day is Inspire Inclusion and Count Me In. I think the theme itself is really beautiful, right? Today we talk about diversity and equity and inclusion and all of that. But inclusion is such a powerful word, because no matter, whatever opportunities are given, whatever resources are given, but if you're not feeling accepted, if you're not included, then none of this will make any sense or meaning. So when we say inspire inclusion, we are saying that include women in everything that we do. It could be in decision making, in having women in top roles like in boardrooms, at CXO levels, and in all key decision making. Not only that, in science, in technology, in manufacturing, in any industry, ensure that there is so much of inclusion that more and more people are inspired to take on such groundbreaking careers or roles, right? And count her in is also one of the theme for this year's Women's Day. The hashtag itself very clearly says
Speaks. Exactly.
you need to count her in, which means that you will be valuing women, you will be counting each and everything that she says, her contributions, her dedications, her thought process, her suggestions, her ideas, her anything that she's vocal about. So these are very, very powerful themes for this year. And I'm personally very happy that the industry bodies came up with such an inspiring themes, which is inspire inclusion and count her in.
And we are also glad to have such multi-talented personalities like you who have been putting up these these things in your article, so that whoever will be reading this book will also get aware, because we have 51 amazing co-authors in this, and each one has shared their own perspectives, own stories, their own, what do you call it, as a perception, own meaning, what they have understood from women empowerment and economic developments.
Yeah.
So moving on professionally, you are HR,
Yeah.
into the human resources, and also you are contributing to women empowerment and also the CSR advocate. So how do you manage all these priorities in just 24 hours?
I think it's the passion and the love for what I do. Because when you really love to do something, then you just don't feel that you're exhausted, you're tired, or you don't have time for it. You will find time, you will make time because you totally enjoy doing it. And I truly, truly enjoy being in this role, not only in my organization, but even at the community at large, where I'm into community service. I've been in the social active circle, helping a lot of NGOs, working with the underprivileged population, right from when I was in school, when I was about 14 years old. So I think it's just that you know that you need to give back to the society. You know that it is a complete circle. This is an ecosystem that all of us have to coexist, and hence, having passion for all these things is probably making me do all this in 24 hours.
So
But
we
it
can
doesn't
say,
happen in 24 hours, but it's day in and day out over the years. But to answer your question in one word, it's just the passion that you have for your work.
So we can say Harini ma'am is unstoppable and versatile personality, since she is giving back to the society, also working for her own passion. So it's really amazing, man.
Thank
And
you.
today, when you're recognized as a certified published co-author, when you got this beautiful book in your hand, what was the feeling, ma'am? Can you share this book and certificate with our audience over here?
I was actually overwhelmed, to be honest, because I I have to thank Vishal. Okay, Vishal is my ex-colleague, and he reached out to me and said, "Harini, you do so much of work in this space, and I think you should, participate in this, writing this book because." When we were colleagues, we were just sharing some of our mutual interest, and I'm so happy that he remembered this after all these years, and he told me this. And so that gave me an opportunity, and I know Abhishek sir knows that I went through a really difficult personal time, during the submission and all of that, but still he encouraged me to go ahead and write by extending timelines and all of that. I'm truly grateful. But when I saw this book, and when I saw my name printed, and when I told you, right, it's just going closer to my goal of writing my own book, and this was the first step. Sometimes you don't know how opportunities come your way, and I could have just let it go, saying that I'm under too much pressure right now and I don't want to do it. But because of encouraging people around me, I was still able to do this, and today I feel so happy, proud, and I feel blessed that I got this opportunity. So I want to share one thing here. I'm a very firm believer of positivity and thoughts and all of that. And I follow this author called Paulo Coelho, where he says that when you really want something, the entire universe will conspire to, get that to you. I totally believe in this. I know this universe has worked in my favor, and it's helping me go in that path. So, extremely grateful, extremely blessed, and super happy.
कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस मैम, एंड वी विश यू अ लॉट ऑफ सक्सेस इन फ्यूचर ऑल्सो. सो जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं कि हरिणी मैम इतनी हैप्पी हैं, इतनी खुश हैं, तो आप भी इसी तरीके से खुश हो सकते हैं, क्योंकि आपको भी नहीं पता कि आपके अंदर ऑथर एक छुपा हुआ है. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे ऑथर्स थे जिन्हें ये नहीं पता था कि वो लिख भी सकते हैं, बट दे गॉट एनकरेज्ड. आपको बताना चाहूंगी, ऑल दीज प्रोजेक्ट्स आर इन एसोसिएशन विद अंकाक्षर मिरेकल्स, विच इज द इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ ऑकल्ट साइंसेज, spiritual activities and research, where we believe to give you the platform to to raise a voice, to give a voice to your story which is unheard. So what are you waiting for? Come and join us. And also we are our upcoming project is My Marriage, Bliss versus Curse. So registrations are still open for the project, where we have 108 co-authors, which is again a divine number, and soon we will achieve all the co-authors in this project. And you can reach to us. My Instagram ID is truth_of_life82. You can DM us. And another ID is Abhishek Chitransh. You can DM us. Our Facebook page is Ankakshar Miracles. Over there also you can reach out to us. Email ID is ankaksharmiracles@gmail.com. So moving on, ma'am, what a message would you like to convey to our audience through this podcast?
I would like to say that believe in yourself, and whenever there is an opportunity, please seize that opportunity, because you never know what is the talent that you have. So you have to seize the opportunity, and you build this network of great people so that you can aspire to create more successes in your life, and believe in yourself. That's what I'd like to say.
That's so amazing, ma'am. And what message would you like to give to the readers to the women empowerment and economic development?
I'd like to say that this is a fantastic anthology because there are about 51 authors who are sharing their thoughts on this topic. And to see this diverse set of perspectives is really amazing. And I think if you read this book, you'll be inspired to see how much women have been progressing over the years, and how much more we can do in this space. So you should probably buy it and read it.
And the book is available worldwide. It's available on Amazon, Flipkart, and currently on Amazon, it's a 16% special offer going on. So go and grab your copies, share your beautiful videos, reviews, feedbacks. We are waiting for you. And before moving on, we would like to know something on spirituality from you, ma'am.
Well, I'm a very spiritual person. I totally believe in the universe, in God. I believe in occult sciences a lot. If you even see my name, it's spelled with a double S, because I have used numerology to be able to bring that to a more positive vibration and things like that. So yeah, and being spiritual is important because according to me, it keeps you grounded. It also gives you hope. It also gives you faith, and there's always something to go back to. And I think that spirituality will continue to do. It gives you a lot of positivity. It gives you a lot of a right thinking, the right direction to think, to speak, and action. So spirituality is very, very close to me.
That's so thoughtful. That's so thoughtful of you, ma'am. So thank you so much. You came and you gave us your precious time. We value your contribution to our book. And ma'am, can you show us the book and certificate to our audience?
Sure. So, firstly, thanks to Abhishek ji and yourself, and also Jyotsna ma'am, for all the three of you putting this together, giving me this opportunity to be a part of this anthology series, and so much work you all are doing in the back end. I'm truly grateful. It's not easy to run, to be able to, create a book, to publish it, to do the ads for it, and to, consistently talk about it. It's really not easy. And all the three of you are doing a fantastic job. Thank you so much for your efforts from my bottom of my heart.
Thank you
And
so
here is my book and my certificate.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much for your contribution. And we wish once again, ma'am, a happy belated birthday to you. Enjoy your post
Thank you.
birthday. Thank you
Thank
for
you.
being with us. And soon, Renu Mangtani will be back with the another co-author. This was the great, we can say, meet of Renu Mangtani with Harini Krishnan, ma'am. तब तक के
Thank
लिए
you.
बने रहिए, जुड़े रहिए अंकाक्षर मेरिकल्स के साथ. जल्दी ही मिलते हैं अगली को ऑथर के साथ. Lots of love, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye.